Alright guys, I'm going to talk to you about how to get the front differential out of a Volkswagen Touareg and or Porsche Cayenne. First thing you want to do is take off both front wheels, and if you are buying a differential from me rebuilt online or actually on eBay, this is going to be a good tutorial for you to figure out how to get this thing out and put it back in. So it's going to make it a lot easier for you. So we'll get started. Take the wheels off. After you get the wheels off, come on inside here, take off your CV axle bolts. Take off this stabilizer link bolt and take off your strut bolt right here. Pull those out. Alright, the next thing you want to do is take off the two 10mm bolts that hold that shield over, that heat shield over the steering knuckle. And then after you get that off, take off this is the input shaft going into the differential. Take all 6 of those bolts off that. Alright, now that you got that stuff off, you're going to want to, there's a bolt on that side of that knuckle. You're going to want to turn the steering wheel to the left so it sticks straight out here so you can get a socket on it. And I'll go up there and turn it. This will be the position of your steering wheel. Now you'll be able to see that bolt right there and take it out easy. And go ahead and take that bolt out and pop the knuckle off. Okay, looking up at your differential, there is a 90-degree vent right here, and a tube going to it. It's actually a rubber hose. Pop that off so when you lower this, it doesn't break it off, break that 90-degree plastic fitting off there. All right, now on the driver's side, look up here, there's going to be a hose coming from the power steering pump. Take it out of that, right there. Take it out of that hook. And you want to come over on the driver's side, and there's some cooling lines right here. You want to make sure those are free, especially right here. And it's just a matter of taking it out of that, taking the clip off. And those are fine right there where the aluminum is, the aluminum tube, but right here, just pop these off. All right, now get yourself a board. Stick it across here from front to back in the center and use your jack to lift it up and hold it. And then go ahead and take out your cradle bolts, all 4 of them, and then that chunk of wood there and that nice piece of metal will hold this thing up, and then we'll lower it down. Right, guys, so this is what it's going to look like hanging down here. I actually got a pipe on this side right to the floor. The reason being is because this line right here gets a little tight going to the power steering rack right here. So I mean, it's not too tight, but you don't want to mess it up. You're working on another customer car, it's not cool to break that. But anyway, this is what it looks like. I'll just kind of make a little round here. Slowly. You'll notice the engine sets on this aluminum cradle right there. Okay. And then everything just kind of hangs down there. There's that shaft, input shaft. You're going to want to take this off, those two 10mm bolts right there for that shield so you can get to the bolt behind there. I want to mention that this front passenger side bolt right here, there's a nut right there that's welded on, so you just got to take this out. Okay, you don't have to put a wrench on that side. The other two, driver's side one, you have to put a wrench on the back side. And same thing with that one behind that heat shield right there. As soon as you're done with that, you take these, take your CV axles out, just slide them out of there, and just pick up the differential, pop those out, grab a hold of that baby, and yank it out of there. Set it on the floor, and that's about it. There you have it. I'll add a little more to this video, but for right now, you got it out. There you have it. Differential is out. Not too bad. Now, if you want to get this thing out easier, you pull it up on this side to get that shaft right there to come out. And just pull it up this way. I drop it down right through the center here, up top. Okay. So anyway, and when you send your differential, when you get your differential out of the box, you're going to notice these shafts are not on it. You're going to use your shafts that are on your current vehicle that you're servicing. Just go ahead and slide those in, tap them in with a dead blow hammer, and you're all set to put it back in. But yeah, don't send these back with your core. I don't need them. Okay, this shaft, this yoke here will be on it, so you don't have to keep that. That's about it. There it is, all in a nutshell. Okay, after you get everything stuck back, after you get your differential put back in there and you get your CV axles put back on the end, put on the end shaft right there, go ahead and start putting your bolts back in. All three of those that hold the differential in there, and torque those down, tighten them good and tight, and let's see, yeah, do everything in reverse. Should be just fine.